Friends, today I have come before you all to share some of the useful information which concerns health and well-being of all of us. One is regarding the COVID-19, the coronavirus disease 2019 pandemic as it is called, which is caused by the SARS, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, which is the causal agent, the pathogen which causes the COVID-19 disease. So I have, in my experience, as you can see, this right forehead part, some very faint scars you will still find on careful examination of my right forehead, because in 1986 I had an attack of herpes zoster ophthalmicus in my right eye, and the target of this virus was my right optic nerve. This supplies this eye, and so the half part of my forehead, the right part of my forehead and the right part of my face, this forehead and this right eye and this right part of the nose also, it was affected very badly. So there were very deep vesicles, very prominent vesicles, very painful vesicles, writhing, deep penetrating pain was there, and it was there throughout my life till 2012, when my revered spiritual master, supreme spiritual master, Sri Sadguru Madhu Paramahansa Ji was so gracious and pleased to bestow the power of Naam on me. So due to his divine blessings, this disease, the after effect of this disease, which is known as the post-herpetic neuralgia, which I was suffering since 1986 very badly, got relieved to a very large extent. Very large extent. The nominal part, the negligible part, which was still reminiscent, remaining, which was very minuscule part of it, not even 1% I would say, was eliminated and overcome by application of 100% pure milk fat, which in India we call as Shuddh Desi Ghee, pure Desi Ghee. So this 100% pure milk fat I applied into my eye, this affected eye, and also to my healthy eye, and within a period of matter of days or weeks, the difference between these two eyes vanished, and this eye is almost as healthy as the left eye. It is equally healthy now, and the suffering, the pain, the neuralgia which I was suffering since November 1986 has almost totally disappeared now. So this application of pure milk fat, that is pure Desi Ghee, I want to propose that it may also help in eradicating the coronavirus from our body. And this ghee, if we can apply in the eyes, put into eyes straight away, pure 100% pure milk fat I am talking about. If we apply into our eyes and also to our nostrils, even in the ears we can apply, we can put in the ears also. I do it, and I am having very shocking, very surprisingly good results, pleasant results. And I have also written my research papers on this, and one of the papers is accepted in a conference, it is already published, and another one is almost to be published. It is in a peer review process right now, and it will be published very shortly. So I want to share this information that you should all be benefited, for the benefit of humankind, that kindly take the advantage of this pure milk fat and apply it into your eyes, your nostrils, to get rid of this virus. Another important disease, a very deadly disease, is cancer. I came across a research which was, I just came to know in the news channels, TV news channels a few months back, that there was a research report which indicated that if a person takes, almost 12 hours, 12 hours out of 24 hours daily, at least 12 hours of complete fasting, that you should not take water also for 12 hours out of 24 hours. So you can force the cancer cells to starve to death. You can force the cancer cells to starve and eventually die, because the cancer cells require a lot of nutrition, lot of glucose and lot of water as compared to normal healthy human cells. So it can be a very effective remedy against cancer, and it is not very difficult to practice, because you have to keep a fast for only 12 hours out of 24 hours. 12 hours you should not take anything, not even water. And if you can prolong this period, the more you prolong, the more you benefit. If you can prolong this fasting period from 12 hours to 13, 14, 15 hours, then it's all the more good. It will benefit all the more. So at least 12 hours you take it as a target, as a mission, that you fast. And if you set your routine, daily routine in such a manner, you will be benefited to a great extent, and you will lead a very healthy and a very prosperous and a very peaceful life. So this is my good wishes to all of you, that please try to practice this along with all the yogic exercise also. And my Sadguru Maharaj, Sadguru Madhuparamahansa Ji, also advises all of you to take Mooli Papita Kheera, that is radish, papaya and cucumber. These three fruits, if you take empty stomach daily in the morning, then these fruits have the capacity, have the tendency to reduce or kill cancer cells within us, human beings. So fasting, and along with this, you can have once you break the fasting, you break it with these fruits. Coriander also you can take, green coriander, and such green vegetables. You can take fruits, you can take as a salad also. But empty stomach is the most important thing. Then you can get rid of most of the diseases. So मित्रों, हमने ये बताया कि आप कैसे कोरोना वायरस से और कैंसर से मुक्त हो सकते हैं। सद्गुरु मधु परमहंस जी, जो मेरे बहुत